Good morning, all of you. Good morning, beta. Are you ready? Okay, good morning, beta. You all, please. Okay, very good. Let's start now. All of you, please take out your math composite book and listen one thing. In my offline video, it will be uploaded. It's not uploaded still. It will be uploaded now. Of your math composite book, page number 109 and 110. Subtraction of two-digit numbers. Subtraction of two-digit numbers is completed. Okay, you all please take out your math composite book. Okay, today we will practice time beta. So all of you please take out and one thing of your math composite book, chapter number 13. In previous class I discussed till 108, page number 108, right? And in my offline video yesterday I upload, still it is not uploaded in YouTube, it will be uploaded. There I have completed till page number 110, subtraction completed. Okay, so today first of all you all open your math notebook. You all please open your math notebook and keep math composite book with you. Keep your math composite book with you. I will discuss time. Okay, time, page number 132. Time. Time, chapter number is 17 of your math composite book. Okay beta, math composite book. Chapter number 17. Okay beta, you all please open chapter number 17 and page number 132. Open page number 132. First of all you all will take out your math notebook. You all please take out your math notebook first and keep your math composite book beside. Okay, and let's start now. Time in math magic book, this chapter number 7, it is completed, right? The chapter name, time. What does the time shows? In the time there are morning, first day and night, these are the time, and in day, morning, first day and night. In day we can divide, that is morning, noon and afternoon, and then evening and night, right? The period of for which the sun rises is called day. When that is called day, which is day and night, the period means the time. The period for which the sun rises is called day, right? And next the period for which the sun sets. When the sun sets in the morning, sun rises, and the evening sun sets. Till this period, sun rises to sun sets, in this time period is called daytime. Okay, and when the sun sets, it's evening start, night start. Okay, so day are bright and shiny, nights are dull and dark. Okay, and next part of the day, these are the part of the day: morning and noon, evening, night. These are the part of the day. Day means a whole day, 24 hours. One day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. when we wake up, we are telling, then you say, ma'am, 6 o'clock, and someone are telling, ma'am, 7 o'clock. That means time. What time you wake up. Okay, so how to draw a clock. How to draw a clock, today I will discuss. You all will follow me and you all will draw with me. How I will explain, you have to draw in that manner. Okay, when the sun rises, it is morning. Then when is morning, we call morning. When the sun rises, it is called morning. And when the sun is overhead, at noon, means 12 o'clock, we can see the sun is overhead. This is called noon. And when the sunlight starts fading, it is called evening. When the sun shades, this is called evening. And when the sun sets, it is called, when the sun already shades, it is evening, it is night. And when the sunlight start fading, that means we cannot see the light of sun. It is fading. It is sunlight starts fading. It is called evening. And when the sun sets, it is called night. The interval between noon and evening. The interval means when the noon and evening, between this time period is called afternoon. Okay. Now, how to, yes, very good, Kaustubh. Now, how to draw a clock. You all will take out your notebook and follow me. Draw a square. Draw a big square. Follow me, everybody. This, can I see the board here? Board. This, first of all, you all will draw a square. Draw a square. I hope you all can draw a square. Have you drawn? Reply me, beta. Draw a square and give a point. In this is a square, means all the sides are same. All the sides are same. In this middle of this side, just give a point. You all please follow me. This is a side, in this side just middle give a point, and just opposite give a point. Okay, and this side just middle give a point, and just opposite give a point. Okay, first 4 point, middle of all the sides give a point, and this is a point, this is and this is. And write down first here 12. You all please write down 12. In this point, at just opposite of 12, write 6. Just opposite of 12, write down 6. And the right side, you just write in this point 3. 3. And 3 just opposite, write 9. Just opposite, write down 9. Okay. First, draw a square and point just center of the line, and just opposite, same as all the sides. And first, here write down 12 opposite 6, and right side 3 opposite 9. And middle of 12 and 3, write down in the same gap. You have to maintain the proper distance. Here 12 and 1, and 1 and 2, and 2 and 3. Gap should be same. If you write, suppose this is you have done and you write 1 here and 2 here. This is not the proper clock. Okay. So you have to maintain the proper distance. Okay. So write here 1 in same gap. Proper gap you have to maintain. Between 12 and 1, gap same. 1 and 2, 2 and 3 should be same. And after 3, 4, then 5, then after 6, 7, 8, then 10, 11. Okay. And middle, just 9 and 3, there is a middle. Center of the circle, give a point. Okay, you all know there is a two hand in a clock. In a second hand also there, but generally two hand. One is a long hand, another is a short hand. Long hand indicates the minute and the short hand indicates the hours. Okay, long hands indicates minute and short hand indicates hours. In this clock there are 12 hours. Can you see? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Then, and now if I give the big hands indicate 12. If the big hands indicate 12 and the short hand indicate 3. What is the time? What is the time now? What time shows the clock? Can you tell me? Can you tell me, beta? What time shows? Yes, beta, 3. But you have to say in this manner. Now 3 o'clock. Not 3. 3 cat, 3 cow, 3 goat. What? 3 o'clock. You have to write in this way. What does the time shows? This is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Have you understood or not, beta? Do you have any problem? If you have any questions, you can ask me, beta. No. Now, look. The short hand indicates the hour and the long hand, okay, fine, beta. And the long hand indicates minutes. That means when the long hands, minute hands move, here is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It moves. And 12, the minute hands move in the when it covered the whole. That means if the 12 long hand it indicates 1. That means 3, 5. No need to know now. I just explained 5. Do you know 60 minutes equal to 1 hour? 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. How the 60 minutes comes? Big hands. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. If the hands means minute hands move here to again 12 o'clock. Starts from 12 and again it come back in 12. That 1 hour completed. Then you can see if the big hands moves and you can see the short hands move. When it will cover the whole clockwise 12 to 12 again it will reach. That means it will be 4 o'clock. Okay. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour when it moves and then 1 hour will be. Now what does the time shows? Can you tell me? What is the time now? What is the time now? Please tell me, beta. Reply me. Yes, very good. 6 o'clock. Very good, all of you. Now is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay, very good. And next. Okay, very good, all of you. Very good, beta. And we can say 6 in this way also. Okay, 3 o'clock and 3. In this way also we can say. It means 6 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Not a question mark, Sinka beta. Not a question mark beside O. It's a single quotation. Okay. Single quote. Apostrophes. These are apostrophes. This is a apostrophes. Okay. Now, what does the time shows? Can you tell me? What is the time now? Our hand always short and a minute hand big. Okay, 9 o'clock. Very good, Kaustubh. Now 9 o'clock, or you can say 9. Okay, yes, not only 9 ohuna, no, or not ohuna, urunagho. Okay, okay. Now tell me what is the time now? When it is in hour, small hand if indicate 3, 4, 2, 1, that means minute hand always indicate 12. Okay, 2, very good. Very good all of you. Kaustubh, Aryan, Sheikh, Aritro, Sharonna, very good. Olokendu, Rishi, very good beta. Okay, fine. That means you can draw a clock. Right? This is 2 o'clock, or you can say 2. Okay? Okay, that you can draw a clock. If I tell you draw a clock and show 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, I hope you can. I hope you can. Okay, your math composite book is open or not, beta? Your composite book is open? Okay, fine. Then page number 133, open page number, very good. Page number 133. Page number 133, let's start now. List the sum of your daily activities according to the parts of the day in the given chart. Morning, afternoon, evening and night. Okay. Write down morning activity. You can write morning activity. Write down any 2. Brush teeth. Right? In the morning we brush our teeth. Okay? So write down. You all please open page number 133 of your math composite book and write down morning activities. Take a bath. This is also morning activity. Have breakfast also, you can write, no problem at all. You can write have breakfast also. Next, afternoon activities. Afternoon activities, have lunch. And return from school. Afternoon, we return from school. 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock you return, no? You go home from school. From school. Now evening activity, play inside or outside. Evening activity, play outside. And the another activity, do our homework. And night activity, please write down. Have dinner. And go to bed. Go to bed. These two activity, night activity, okay? Okay, for today this much, and please wait, don't leave the class. I will take your attendance beta. Okay, next class I will discuss from the next part. Okay? Okay, for today na. Adrija Kole present. Olokendu Vishwas present. Anirban Roy present. Aritro Ganguly present. Aritro Seth present. Aryan Sheikh present. Orunabho Das present. Debayon Mollik present. Kaustav Shaha present. Mohiyan Chakraborty present. Niladri not name is not there.